Hey everybody, welcome to the Pock Motorsports channel. I'm Jacob Beerwagon, and in this video I'm going to show you how to align your oil pump and install it properly.
Well, I may have just found my oil issue. So, this thing had lower oil pressure right from the get-go, and it had one of these black O-rings on it. I think it needed the green one because so I just read Melling's instructions. So for figure 1, you have the green O-ring, and it's for these tapered pickup tube. So you have the 840 diameter at the bottom, 870 at the top, or that's a stepped one. Or you have the tapered one that's 840 at the bottom, 870 at the top. So that's what I measured. Figure 2 with the black O-ring, you have 870 just as a straight tube. Anyways, so sorry about the lighting, it's so bad. Anyways, so right there, I got 840, and if I come up the tube a little bit right there, get 880, which was a little much, probably more like 875. But anyways, I think that thing had the wrong O-ring on it. So, you know, whatever engine remanufacturer built this thing, I think they need to step it up a notch. Based on the instructions here, we have this style. So right here it says use the green O-ring, which is the thicker O-ring. This is about 0.155. This is 0.14. So when you're doing these O-rings, I think it's best to grab yourself some petroleum jelly. Anyways, you can just get a little glob of that on your finger and get a nice coating on these O-rings, and I find that that makes those tubes slip in a little easier. So, all right, where are you? There we go. Well, this thing ought to run way better with the right O-ring. If I could ever get this on, I'd show you guys how to align it. But first I gotta get it on. And so far, that's proving to be challenging for people such as myself. Oh, I think I got one. Why is that? It just doesn't seem like it should be that tricky, you know? There we go. There we go. All right, folks. So I got two 2 thou shims here out of a feeler gauge set, and I am just gonna slip those in between the gear set and the pump housing, and that should get us aligned pretty well. So there's that. And I believe these get torqued to 18 foot-pounds. So, all right, so got this sucker set to 18 foot-pounds. So I just snug down all the bolts first before I go torquing them all, and makes me feel good like I'm doing it right anyways. So I'm gonna torque this one, wait for it, beep, and there we go. You put your 2 thou shims in, you torque it to 18 foot-pounds, and then voila. All right, and before you're all done, you put your cover back on, and these bolts are torqued to 106 inch-pounds.
All right, everyone, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you later.